Yan, isa ako sa mga excited na panoorin yung PGT Season 7. Pero, yan, yung question ko, doon naman sa mga online host natin, kay Lorraine sa kay Wise. Yan, sa akin sila, di ba? Actually, proud ako kay Wise kasi friend ko yan, ang tagal-tagal niya ng, di ba, nasa showbiz, pero this time, binigyan siya ng pagkakataon to host online. Pero, what preparation did you do para mas maging powerful yung hosting nyo online? Kasi maraming mga nanonood online not just on TV, di ba? Pero what preparation yung ginagawa nyo for you to be able to capture the heart of all the viewers sa online? Lorraine and Wise.
Yung ginagawa ko po kasi is, kasi yung hosting namin sa Showtime Online is ibang-iba talaga dun sa gagawin namin. Ginagawa namin dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Parang mas formal, mas seryoso. So, kapag binibigay sa amin yung mga profile ng mga contestants, inaaral po namin yun. And then, habang nagpe-perform din po sila dito, nag-o-observe kami kung ano ba yung comments na binibigay ng mga judges, kung paano ba nagpe-perform yung mga contestants natin. And then, nag-ask kami ng mga malalalim na questions pa para mas may puso pa, may labas namin yung puso din po ng mga contestants natin.
Yes. Ako naman po, first of all, sobrang laking opportunity po neto na makapag-host ng PGT Exclusive. Sobrang maraming salamat po dahil pinagkatiwalaan po kami dito kahit sa online platform po. Thank you so much. And of course, paano kami nagpre-prepare? Bilang kami ay nasa noon time nga po, gusto rin po namin magkaroon ng ibang Wise and Lorraine pagdating po dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Kaya inaral po namin yung format ng PGT, lalo na 7th season na po, and after 7 years, nagbabalik na po ang Pilipinas Got Talent. Gusto po namin mabigay yung very best Wise and Lorraine na maipapakita po namin sa PGT Exclusive. Thank you so much po.
Salamat po sa tiwala. Mas gagalingan pa po namin dalawa.
Thank you. Congratulations, everyone.
Salamat po.
Ito na po ang ating next question from Manila Feed, from Mr. Chad Roset. This question is for Sir FMG po.
Boss.
Having been in the industry for so long, how do you see Filipino talent evolving over the years? If magbibigay po kayo ng comment kina Catherine, Donnie at Eugene as Jurados, how would you rate their performance as the new set of Jurados in PGT?
Oh, did I yes?
Firstly, all these years, we've been doing the PGT and we were absent for 7 years.
Yeah.
And I was asking Donnie, ano kaya makikita natin ngayon dito? After 7 years, can we still get the best talents? Kasi nawala na yan the search for the best talents. And he said, what did you call it, sir? Marami na bagong technology ngayon na makikita siguro tayo, incorporate sa talent na mag-perform sa PGT. And sure enough, the talents that we have right now have leveled up. I would say that they could be compared to world-class acts. Maganda, maraming maganda. Ngayon, sa mga kasama ko naman sa judging, I think I have the best chemistry of judges. I have the best chemistry of hosts. And you could see the season 7 of PGT as going to be one of the best. Ang gagaling nila talagang bumilib ako. I was surprised the way they talk to the talents, the way they ask questions, the way they scrutinize. Sabi ko, mas magaling pa ito sa akin pero believe ako, ang gagaling nila. Si Catherine, si Lugier, si Donnie, at yung dalawa natin ang gagaling nila. Sabi ko nga pwede bang bantayan ni Robbie and Bella yung si Billy and because they were working for 6 years. Actually, bago lang. But surprisingly, I think we are going to have the best shows because of the chemistry of these people.
So that's going to make you one point.
Yes, maraming salamat po Sir FMG. Our next question naman po ay magagaling kay Philip Martin Matel of Rappler.
Good afternoon. My question is for Kathleen. You've done so much, of course, in your illustrious career as an actress and then on movies and TV. Ngayon, ano yung nag-iiba? What's the difference na ikaw naman yung tutulong sa pag-scout ng next great thing sa Filipino talent dito sa bagong season na to?
Yeah, it's different. It's so different. You know, nag-set naman ako sa utak ko. Nag-set na ako na, okay, it's gonna be a different experience. Pero iba pala, pag nandyan ka na, talaga. Alam mo yung minsan pag uwi ko from taping, iniisip mo pa, i-recap ko lahat ng mga nakita ko na performances that day. And then iisipin ko hanggang makashower, hanggang nasa bed ka, if tama yung mga nabigay kong advice and yung mga yeses and nos na binigay ko that day. Because, like yung sinabi kanina, I think that was one of the first few questions. Meron kaming power to change a person's dream or to make that dream come true. We can be part of that dream. So our yeses, it's so powerful. And yung no's namin, it's so hard to say no. Parang sinabi ko, kung ako lang siya na as staff, Diyos ko, ang dali-dali kong patawanin, pasayahin. Pero kailangan din syempre, we're here representing Pilipinas Got Talent and I'm one of the judges, so we have to perform as well. So siguro yun yung iba, so iba yung environment, but this time, ang galing niya kasi ang dami din naming natututunan sa mga nag-audition. So di ba, akala nyo kami yung nagme-mentor sa kanila, but then feeling ko, ang dami ko natututunan sa bawat nagpe-perform. And growing up siguro, I'm just very lucky na I was surrounded, and I'm still surrounded with a lot of people. Parang I have my mentors, so like I have Tita Cory, I have CLK, I have Inang, Derek, Cathy. I have these people na umalalay sa akin at umaalalay sa akin hanggang ngayon. And sobrang grateful ko sa mga tao na yun. And now I think it's time to share what I've learned through the years. I know na I'm very young, I'm not experienced enough, but I think this is my way of paying it forward sa kanila naman na I think ito yung personal na experience ko and I think this will help you. So when I'm there, it's me as a judge, yes, but I want to be that person na you can talk to as your friend, as your sister. I want to be that heart sa panel na magiging comfortable ka. So ayun, that's what I'm trying to do every episode. I keep that in mind. And nagpapasalamat lang ako sa lahat ng mentors ko through the years and hopefully this time ako naman yung makakatulong sa mga sasali pa dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent. So yes, it's different, but I think this is my way of saying thank you. So sana may matutunan naman sila. Let's just enjoy. Yes.
Thank you so much, Sir Philip and Miss Kathleen. Alright, our next question is from Sir Glenn Sibonga of Showbiz Bonga.
Bonga. Hi, Glenn.
Ayan, ako na pala. Good afternoon. Siyempre, congratulations sa grand comeback na itong Pilipinas Got Talent. Yung first question ko kay Donnie kasi mula sa pagiging magaling na actor, host, ngayon nakikilala ka na rin, tinatawag ka na rin na matalino at magaling na hurado. Siyempre, coming from diba, doon sa magpasikat ng Hit Showtime. Ano yung reaction mo dito sa papuri na natatanggap mo?
Reaction ko?
Reaction niya.
Hindi, ako po, to be honest, well, nasashock pa rin ako kasi hindi, yung magpasikat first of all, hindi naman yun talaga plano. I mean, hindi yun planado. Parang it just so happened na kailangan nila ng extra judge or they asked me if, I had a spare week to be able to attend yun yung showtime. And sa una, sa totoo lang, nag-no ako. Kasi iniisip ko, ano namang sasabihin ko dyan? Tsaka, anong ambag ko dyan? Hindi ko naman deserve na kasama ko yung, at that time, hindi ko alam kung yun yung lineup, but still, you know, the lineup that we ended up with, diba? Grabe yung bigatin yung mga kasama ko. Si Sir FMG pa lang, diba? So, yun, to be honest, nag-no ako. Sabi ko, I'm not sure if I'm ready yet. Kasi hindi ko alam kung yung sasabihin ko at yung ikikritik ko, tama. Kasi syempre doon sa Magpasikat, puro artista. May mga people who've gone before me. I'm not critiquing just anyone. So, this is something that, you know, medyo siguro nahiya ako. But when they said, yes po. But when they said, it's something new, just give it a try, and Magpasikat is, you know, something they do once a year lang, and it's a fun opportunity. Sabi, after a bit of convincing, sige, sabi ko, itatry ko talaga. So, hindi ko naman po in-expect na ganito po yung magiging kalabasan nun. Ako, I'm just very grateful na siguro yun po ang nakita nila. But to be honest, I'm just speaking from what I feel. And I'm just speaking from my heart, what really genuinely feels right. So, again, when they offered even PGT, just the thought of it, sa totoo lang po, sobra akong nag-isip nun kung i-consider ko po siya kasi same reasons. I didn't know if, you know, it might be too early, you know, if I even deserve to sit alongside such amazing judges. And of course, syempre, yung talent na lahat ng contestants natin. So ako, I just promised na I'm just gonna give it my all and I'm gonna keep learning. Kasi I'm entering here, learning so much already from everyone here. From Sir FMG, Kath, Miss Uge, even our hosts. Every day, bago yung knowledge na nakikita ko and nararamdaman ko. And yung chemistry ng lahat, feel ko talaga na everyone's here for the same purpose. So, to answer your question, my pressure for sure. So, I'm just here as someone who is very new with an open mind, just to see where this will go. But I promise to give it my all, and I promise na maghahanap talaga tayo ng talent na worthy of being called the next champion of PGT.
Pero congratulations, siya rose to the occasion. At saka ang ganda ng chemistry niyo dito sa PGT. Yun. For my last question sa ating mga host, kay Melay at saka kay Robby. Ayan, sa ibang bansa kasi, sa Got Talent ng ibang bansa, meron din power para magbigay ng golden buzzer yung mga host.
Yes.
So, possibly ba gusto nyong magkaroon ng ganung power and magkakasundo kaya kayo ni Melay kung anong talent yung mapipili nyo?
Actually, yes. Nag-briefing na kami with a consultant coming from Got Talent, the franchise. And for this season, just like the previous season, meron din kaming golden buzzer din. Yes. Kung gagamitin namin or hindi sa isang talent, yun ang pag-uusapan namin. Pero si Melay,
Maraming salamat, Sir Ray Valera.
hindi si Ray Valera yan! Gang!
Lagi na lang.
Kami namang dalawa, we respect each other. Kung ano yung naramdaman namin ko din, na-feel ko na itong talent na ito at parang golden buzzer. Pero hindi pa niya na-feel, so we respect. Pero pag na-feel namin, yung na-feel talaga namin dalawa, doon talaga namin i-golden buzzer. So, exciting ang aming gagawin na golden buzzer. You have to watch this.
walang BTR.
Wala pang video. Sorry.
Yun, yes. At least meron kayong golden buzzer.
Meron kaming
Yes,
power
golden
this
buzzer
season.
kami.
May panlaban din kayo.
At kayo din, meron din kayo.
Ano?
Golden buzzer.
Yeah! pwede.
Cha-cha lang.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Congrats sa lahat.